జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. Sugriva, he finished the last rites of Vali. He did Udakatarpanam to Vali and he took bath with the wet cloths. Sugriva came back to Rama and standing right next to Sri Ramachandra Swami. All the Vanaras also there. Now Hanuma saying to Rama like this: "Ho Prabhu, Bhavat Prasadat Sugrivaha Pitru Paitamaham Mahat." With your blessings, Sugriva got his kingdom, which is coming as his ancestral property. Ho Rama, now if you give permission, Sugriva will continue taking care of all his duties. Ho Rama, I request you to come to Kishkindha and do Pattabhishekam to Sugriva. Ho Rama, I am assuring you that Sugriva will be always humble to you and will always worship you. Like this, when Hanuma said to Rama, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying like this: "Ho Hanuma, Buddhiman Vakya Kovidaha Saumya." Ho such great intellect, O Hanuma. Ho the one who can talk very politely and very nicely, such great O Hanuma. The one who is very humble, O Hanuma. Now I am taking care of I am following my father's orders. My father ordered me to do 14 years long Vanavasam. In these 14 years, O Hanuma, Gramam va yediva puram na pravekshyami. I do not want to come into any villages or any towns. I don't like to get into villages or towns. But definitely, as you said, Sugriva must get Pattabhishekam done according to Shastram. Like that, Rama said to Hanuma, and now addressing Sugriva like this: "Ho Sugriva, Angadoyam Yavarajyasya Bhajanam." You have to make Angada as Yuvaraju. You have to do Pattabhishekam to Angada as Yuvaraju. Ho Sugriva, your brother's eldest son is Angada, and he is no less than you in valor. Ho Sugriva, Angada has all sort of qualifications and eligibility to become prince. That is why you have to make Angada as Yuvaraju. And also Sugriva, now rainy season started. It is Varsha Rutu. Masaha Shravanaha Salila Agamaha. And this is Shravana Masam. And there will be so many rains. This is not proper time for us to declare any war against anyone. This is not good time to do wars. That is why, Ho Sugriva, you go back to Kishkindha, get coronated to Kishkindha and start taking care of your things. But I like to stay here in these places where there are so many mountains. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Sugriva. Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Sugriva: "Ho Sugriva, I would like to stay in this place where there are so many mountains. Now you go back to your Kishkindha. Kartike samanuprapte tvam ravanavadheyata." When Kartika Masam comes, just before Kartika Masam, that means in the end of Asvija Masam, you have to make all preparations with all your army to kill Ravana. O Sugriva, Now you go to your Kishkindha, Abhishiktaha, Swarajye cha, Suhrudaha, Sampraharshaya. You get Pattabhishekam done to Kishkindha, and you live there. You spend your time with all your friends and relatives happily. Like that, when Ramachandra Swami said, Sugriva left from there and entered into Kishkindha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.